What's up? Roger Ratchet coming at you again. And today we're working on the 04 Grand Cherokee. And today we're going to be replacing the rear hatch struts. And for this job, all we need is a ratchet, an extension, and a T40 Torx bit. It's going to be a pretty quick job, pretty easy. All we got to do is take our T40, put it in this bolt right here, and just twist it right on out. And guys, I'll share a little tip with you here in a little bit if you can't get these bolts broke loose. It ain't the end of the world if they won't come out. Now, this one is out, and I want to make sure that my hatch prop doesn't fall off of there. And then we come up here to this one, and we just twist it right out. Boy, we lucked out here. This one's coming out easy. Oh, almost scratched up the paint. Now, as I said, I was going to share a tip with you. If you can't get those bolts to come out, all you got to do is twist these ends off. And yes, they do come off. And with that still bolted in the vehicle, you can take your new one, which is right here. It comes off too, and you can twist it into your old end. So it's not the end of the world if you can't get that out. Now we are going to put this in here. We're going to put the top one in first, because there's nothing worse than having something dangling that you want pointed upward. So we'll start at the top and make that easier. And take the ratchet off and do the little finger twisty. And just finger tight is good for now until we get this bottom one in. Get it started. Oh. Okay. My prop isn't quite tall enough, so I'm going to raise it up a little bit just to get him started. And this one, I'm going to use my ratchet on to get him in there. Oh, if I can keep him going in the right direction. Okay, now let me get my prop put back up. And this job, guys, well, it ain't gonna come back down to my prop. So my struts ain't completely bad, but you don't want this relying on just one strut to hold it up. Which this is going in kind of hard, so that's because all the weight of the hatch is on it. It's not cross-threaded, it's just the way the hatch is on it. And this doesn't have to be super tight. It only has to be tight enough to where it won't back itself back out. Well, I'll tell you what, we're going to do the other side, and then we're going to take this bottom one back off to tighten that one back up. I actually should have tightened that up before I put the bottom one in. Side, take this one out. And I'm going to put my prop back under here. Actually, now that my prop is needed again, let's go ahead and take this side back out. What did we do here? Well, we might have stripped that one out a little bit. That's okay. It's in tight enough on that side, so go ahead and take this one out. This one's already loose a little bit, so it was begging to be changed anyway. And there's that one. Let's get this top one started in here. Get my ratchet back on there. A little bit of a snug. Now we can start our bottom one. And it looks like, again, we'll have to remove our prop, raise up on this to line it up. Let me rest it on the old noggin. Well, if I can keep the ratchet going in the right direction. That happens, guys, when you have a well-used ratchet. But yeah, the longest part of this job is just the amount of threads they put on these mounting bolts. And there we go, snugged up and finished. Yeah, she's holding herself up real good. And that's all there is to the hatch support struts. So until next time, I'm Roger Ratchet, and thank you for watching.